Ron Cup Brothers Construction. Here we are at St. Francis Woods Homeowners Association repairing 4 driveways. Go ahead. Ron Cup again here at St. Francis Woods, day number 2. You can see that the driveways have been removed, steel's in place, replacing the drainage pipes. Ron Cup Brothers Construction, Wednesday, St. Francis Woods Homeowners Association. Monday we broke out the 4 driveways. Tuesday we set the steel. And Wednesday is the first day we're repouring 2 of the driveways. We've added an extra cut joint down the center to help with crack control because the previous ones didn't have it, and it also didn't have reinforcing steel. Ron Cup Brothers, Thursday, the second day of the 2 driveway pours. We're finishing it up at St. Francis Wood Homeowners Association.